Good morning, everybody. It's Friday. It's Friday when you should be watching this. Hopefully, you're on time. Good morning or good afternoon. Okay, there's not a whole bunch of work to do. There's a few questions, just a continuation. First step is to watch this video like you have, but this video is more about walking you through what's going on here. So priorities for today. This is what I want you to do. I want you to write Monday's Geometry quiz if you haven't. There's still a number that haven't, and I want you to do that. Please get it done. It just shows me who's engaging and who's not engaging, and that's helpful for Ms. Olson and I. Second, watch the probability videos from Tuesday and Wednesday. I put out some videos this week. There's more videos than normal because we're introducing a brand new idea and probably something that you might have looked at before, you may have not looked at before. It depends on your grade 6 and 7 teachers. So lots of those. There's a page 203 worksheet. It's quite simple, quite straightforward. It's just there's a chart there for you to look at when you're flipping 3 different coins. If you need help, come get help. Google Meet. I'm still available all the time for that. Then I want you to complete Thursday worksheet. And many of you have already done this. I know this. You're already right up to date. So all that'll be left is a few questions for you to do today, which is perfect. This is Thursday's worksheet here. You can go back to Thursday, right? And there it is right there. Or it's also right here as well. Everything is in order, reverse chronological order. You know how websites work, right? Same as our regular one. And then this is today's. So if I click on today's worksheet here, let's just have a quick look at it together. I only want you to give these a try. 3, 4, 5 for sure. Give 6, 7, 8 a try. And if you're like, yeah, I got this probability stuff, try 9 and 10. There's not a whole bunch of work here. This is a pretty light day, especially if you're up to date, if you're caught up. So what's the probability of drawing a king from a standard deck of playing cards? Well, you need to know there's 52 cards in a deck, right? And there are 4 kings, 1 from each suit. So the probability would be 4 out of 52. That's it. And then make it a percent. 4 out of 52. 4 divided by 52 times 100. That'll give you a percent. Number 4 is rolling a 6-sided die. What is the probability of that a 3 will land face up? Well, again, there's 6 outcomes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 when you roll a die. So the denominator has to be 6, and there's only one way to get a 3. So 1 out of 6, and then make it a percent. Number 5, a student randomly guesses the answer to a question with 5 options to select from. Okay, so this is a multiple choice, multiple guess test, and you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 questions. What is your chance? Well, it's 1 chance out of 5. So 1 divided by 5 times 100, you get 20% chance of getting it right if you're just taking a guess, right? That's where multiple choice test writing has a bit of art to it. You can, eliminate some of those answers, and then if you can eliminate 2 of the answers, maybe you only have 3. And it's a 1 in 3 chance, which is 33%. Anyway, you should, or just know the work, know the answer, and then you don't have to guess at all. Then mid-level stuff. What is the probability of drawing a red heart from a standard deck of playing cards? Okay, so you might need to know a little bit about cards and decks of cards, and hopefully you do. Here, you have 52 on the bottom again, because there's 52 possibilities, 52 cards you could draw from, and you have 2 red. It's a red heart. Sorry, I was thinking that it was just a red. Anyway, hearts are all red. And so there's 13 of those cards in a deck, right? The probability of drawing a red heart. I don't know why red heart. They could have just said heart. But there's, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, Jack, Queen, King, Ace. So there's 13 of those, right? That have a heart on them, a red heart on them. So there'd be 13 out of 52. Number 7, what is the probability of drawing a red king? Okay, now this is what I was talking about for question 6. There are 2 red kings. There's the king of diamonds and there's the king of hearts. So that's a 2 out of 52. Number 8 is rolling a 6-sided die. What is the probability of a 4 or 5? Well, there's 1 chance at a 4. There's 1 chance at a 5. The denominator has to be 6s, right? It has to be 6 because there's 6 different things you could roll, right? 6 different outcomes. So the chance of a 4 or a 5, there's 2 chances there, right? Because you don't need a 4 and a 5, you need a 4 or a 5. So 2 chances out of 6 that you'll get one of those. Okay, that's it. That's 3 to 8. You can try these ones below. They're a lot like the other things we've been talking about. It's not difficult. Yeah, I'm sure you can figure it out. If you need help, come see me. Otherwise, have a really good weekend. Make sure, though, before you start your wonderful weekend, that looks like it's going to be beautiful, you do these things. You get that math quiz done. You get this probability work done from this week. You do this worksheet here Thursday. It's not for marks, but if I click on this, like I showed you yesterday, it looks like the quiz that I made up recently, right? Simple probability. It's not a quiz though, but you can do it and you get your marks right away. And then the ones you get wrong, not marks, I shouldn't say marks. You get, it is, but it doesn't count. The ones you get wrong, if you need help, let me know. Come show up at a Google Meet and I'll help you out. Aside from that, I'll see you guys Friday. We're doing classroom Google Meets on Friday. I'm going to do some Kahoots. I'm going to find a couple of cool Kahoots. I'm looking right now, and that should be good. I really enjoyed last week and the week before. Last week wasn't Kahoot. The week before was. But I miss you guys. We'll talk to you very soon. Take care. Have an awesome weekend. You are all wonderful young human beings. I really miss seeing you guys. Take care.